Hello everyone, I am Harsh Yadav, the team lead of Namo Nirvana.
Hello, I am Akshay Thakur, the co-lead of Team Namo Nirvana.
Hello everyone, I am Avishkar Jaswal, programming lead of Team Namo Nirvana.
Hello everyone, I am Akib Akil, the mobility lead of Team Namo Nirvana.
Hello everyone, I am Shridu Manish from programming department of Team Namo Nirvana.
Hello everyone, I am Shriyansh Agrawal from chassis department of Team Namo Nirvana.
Hello, I am Aditya Thakur from CAD and Simulation Department, Team Namo Nirvana.
Hello, I am Ash Kumar Singh from Research and Science Department from Team Namo Nirvana.
Hello, I am Ananya Agrawal from the chassis department of Team Namo Nirvana.
Hello everyone, I am Soham Shahapure from Mobility Department of Team Namo Nirvana. In the vast area of space where the unknown stretches endlessly in every direction, humanity faces uncommon challenges, from the harsh condition of alien landscapes to ever-present dangers lurking in the void. Each step forward represents a triumph over adversity.
But fear not, for in the face of these challenges, humanity has risen to the occasion with ingenuity and innovation. Today we stand on the brink of a new era of space exploration with the unveiling of the Namo rover, the Nexus Astro-Terrain Monitoring Rover.
At the heart of the Namo rover lies the Jetson Nano, a powerful central processing unit that serves as the brain of our operation. This miniature powerhouse puts together the collaboration of every component, ensuring seamless communication and coordination as we navigate the cosmic area.
Let's dive deeper into the intricate design of the Namo rover, starting with its mobility system. Picture a terrain-moving marvel, the rocker bogie suspension system. With its ability to traverse diverse landscapes with stability and adaptability, it's the optimal choice for our mission.
Paired with the Rider motor control shield and encoder motors, the mobility system receives navigation instructions from the Jetson Nano, allowing the rover to move with efficiency and agility across rugged terrains.
Now let's talk about obstacle detection, a crucial aspect of our mission. Our LiDAR sensor boasts precise obstacle detection capabilities, ensuring rover can navigate through the unknown territory. This real-time data is fed back to the Jetson Nano, enabling swift navigation decisions as we explore the cosmos.
Next up, Vision, a vital sense for any explorer. Equipped with a webcam module, our vision system employs the power of a computer vision for obstacle detection and sample identification. Visual data captured by the system is seamlessly transmitted to the Jetson Nano, providing valuable insights for decision making as we navigate the cosmic landscape.
Of course, navigation is the key to our mission's success. Moving to the robotic operating system, our guiding light in the vastness of space. With sophisticated algorithms, the navigation system ensures the rover can navigate with precision and efficiency, mapping its surroundings and determining its location in real time.
But perhaps the most versatile tool in our arsenal is the 6DUF robotic arm. It is controlled by the Arduino Mega. This arm executes the sample, pick and place activity with ease. Its versatility, compact design and precision makes it the perfect tool for handling samples of various shape and size, all under the watchful eyes of a Jetson Nano.
Let's explore the journey of our Namo rover's robotic arm from Prototype 1 to Prototype 2. Prototype 1, equipped with a 5DOF, served as a foundation but revealed limitations in payload capacity and grip size, prompting the need for enhancement.
Our robotic arms Prototype 2 is an evolution powered by 6 degrees of freedom and a NEMA 17 stepper motor. This upgrade not only addresses the shortcomings of its predecessor but also enhances functionality and versatility. With a payload capacity of 600 gram to 1 kilogram and the ability to grip materials of 12 to 14 cm in diameter, the Prototype 2 significantly boosts our rover's capabilities.
Now let's talk about safety, a paramount concern in space exploration. The rover is equipped with a manual kill switch for emergency shutdown, strategically located on its exterior. This switch provides quick and accessible means to seize all movement and power draw in the case of an emergency.
In the era of computation, the Namo rover employs cutting-edge algorithms to tackle various tasks. From computer vision using OpenCV to machine learning for image detection, every computation is optimized for efficiency and reliability. Serial communication between Jetson Nano and Arduino Mega ensures seamless data transfer, enabling integrated system operation.
Our initial locomotive body featured essential sensors like ultrasonic sensors for obstacle avoidance and underwent testing across various terrains, laying the groundwork for future enhancements.
Prototype 2 marks a significant advancement, integrating ROS with LiDAR technology and Jetson Nano as the masterboard. Additionally, encoder motors will be incorporated for recording tick values and speed. This upgrade enables the rover to autonomously perform mapping, navigation, and path planning tasks.
To maintain seamless communication over vast distances, our rover utilizes long-range radar or LoRa technology. With its long-range capabilities, we ensure reliable data transmission, enabling our rover to explore and relay information from farther locations.
In conclusion, the Namo rover shows how smart and creative human can be. It's all set to explore the space and find out new things. With its advanced technology and careful planning, the rover is ready to discover the secret of cosmos one step at a time.